In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to use Seedance 2.5. So to use it, we have to go to the platform NovoAds AI. This is a platform where you can try these AI models that are Seedance 2.5, Clink 3.0, Sora 2 Pro, Pio 3.1, and all these models before paying a high price, trying the platform for just $1. So well, here you need to create an account, and after you create the account, you will arrive here. Now we have to go to the video section, and here we need to go to settings, and here in model, we need to choose the model Seedance 2.5. Now in the duration, you could choose up to 30 seconds long, but in my case, I'm going to use only 8 seconds. And here, if you want, you can create a video horizontal, vertical, or in any aspect ratio. Perfect. Now I'm going to teach you how to create a video. So to do that, we have to just write a simple prompt. So let's write, I want an attractive blonde young woman to do an ad for the product of the image of reference. The image of reference is this one. So let's upload this image. And now we just have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the result. So now let's see it.
Hydrate, nurture, reveal your healthy glow.
And there we have it. The video looks really good. So remember that if you want to create a Seedance 2.5 video, you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. The link is going to be in the comment section. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.